Welcome to the Graffiti Jungel, another episode of Tangential Chat Show. I'm your chief, Cigar. And on this episode of Cigar Talk Podcast, we're going to do an unboxing. So, I saw these shoes last week, but I wanted to make sure I had enough to get to the rodeo. So when I clocked in this week, they're still there. I said we can go ahead and get them. So, what initially caught my attention to these shoes, most Nikes outside of like some Travis Scotts have the check going one way, but these have the check going the other way. So, what originally caught my attention was the reverse check. I don't have a pair of Nikes with a reverse check on them. And then they had a very interesting sole. So, as you can see, on the inside the check goes the right way. On the outside the check goes the reverse way. So that's what caught my attention. And then I like the sole of the shoe. So at first I thought I was gonna have to put them on in a 9. They just look like they just look long. But I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. So, nothing crazy on the aerial, but most of the work, most of the aesthetic work gonna come from the sides. I think that's dope. I got them in a 10.5. That's true to size. They fit, true to size. I still actually got a little room actually. I could probably fit a 10. But I'm gonna keep them in this size right here. I think they're called Giannis Antetokounmpo Immortality. Or just immortal. So I had to, the way I kind of went about it, you gotta clock in and out for break and stuff like that. And I knew I wanted some fries, but they closed at 9, so I just walked out, got some fries. I had saw 111. I said, let's fucking go. Then said you want small or regular? I said whatever 317 get me. Yeah, I rung it up and I ain't clock out yet, so I try to get in and out. So then after he run me out, they about to close. I was like, dang, how much a can of soda? It was like, you got it, it's on me. Give me a can of soda. Said, you got it, it's on me. Just come back and eat with us again. Made it work. So this is gonna be season 2, episode 63. I'm gonna try to edit this while I'm on the clock. I'll go live for 62. And then I can go live in the morning. 64. Really want to get ahead of the game. I'm be thinking about, I got sauce. Let me stop playing. I got sauce. I said, you got some, he said, you want any sauce? First he was like, ketchup, anything, seasoning? I was like, no. I thought you got some yum yum, some barbecue? You got some yum yum. Barbecue. Double dip. Too much dip on your chip.